So there are a few more things that we would want to discuss here. Now we know what this is. We've agreed that this is the name of the user, and we've agreed that this is the name of the machine we're working on. There's also testing. This is telling you the type of user. So earlier on, I mentioned that we have at least two main types of users. So we have the regular user, and then we have the root user. So with a regular user is just any other person apart from the root. So a regular user would have this symbol. Even though this is saying that the person who is logged in is called George, this is telling you that George is a regular user. Or I'm logged in as a regular user. This is what this is saying. And this is just what this particular thing is saying. So if I would want to go back and I'll try to make sense of what's on our command prompt at this stage, I would say that until we get to what the tilde means. Until we get to where the tilde means, I can say that I'm logged in as a user called George, and I'm logged onto a computer called George dash VirtualBox. But as a user, the type of user George is a regular user. This is what I'm saying or this is what this particular information is telling us. This is what it's saying. You logged in as George, you logged into a machine called George VirtualBox, and you logged in as a regular user.